Welcome back to our LaTeX tutorial series. In this lesson, we will dive into the basic document structure in LaTeX. Understanding how to structure your LaTeX documents is fundamental to creating well-formatted content. We will show you step by step how to create a basic LaTeX document from scratch. We will walk you through the document class command, setting up sections, subsections, and paragraphs. Additionally, we will explore how to add a title page, a table of contents, and abstract to your document for a professional touch. Let's dive in. Once we log into Overleaf and click on New Project and click on Blank Project, we name the project, in this case, Basic Document Structure. On the left is our File Navigator panel, which shows the file and folders in our project. And in this case, you see we have only the .tx file. Now, next to it is our editor window where we will be writing and editing our commands. And to the right is the PDF preview window where our compiled document will be displayed. Now, looking at the editor window, we have to note that every LaTeX document begins with a document class command. And in curly brackets, you specify the class of document you want to create. For example, if you want to write a book, a report, an article, or you do a presentation, in that case, you use the class Beamer. This simply tells LaTeX the type of formatting to be used in your document. However, in general, the two widely used class are article for scientific journals, reports, invitations, theses, and dissertations, and Beamer for creating presentations. The section before the begin document command is called the preamble, which is where we define the document class and any packages we want to use. Then we have the body of the document enclosed within the begin document and end document commands, and which is where you write your text. Now let's discuss sections, subsections, and paragraph. Each section in LaTeX begins with a command bar section and then the name of the section. So in this case, I'm going to call it basic structure. Now, if we want to enter another section, another subsection in basic structure, we still do the same thing. So we go subsection, it's there. So I just put preamble. And if I want to enter another subsection in preamble, I can just say subsection. So it's there, subsection. Then I say, maybe I want to talk about paragraphs. Then I click compile. So you see, now we have our section basic structure, our subsection preamble, and our subsection paragraphs. To insert a paragraph, you simply need to leave a blank line between two blocks of text. For example, if I have this is the first paragraph and I want to enter a second paragraph, I just need to type this is the second. So if I replace the first with second, then I click compile. Now you see I have my paragraph. Another way I can do is to enter the command bar par and then I click enter and then I just say use par, use par command to enter paragraph. So if I click compile, you see I have another paragraph. So these are the few ways you can use to create a paragraph in LaTeX. If I want to put an abstract to my document, all I need to do is I take command bar begin abstract. It's there, so I click enter and then I just say, here is my abstract. Then I click compile. You see, now I have my abstract. To add a table of contents, I just need to type command bar table of contents and then I click compile. So you see now I have my table, my abstract, my table of contents, and then my document. Now let's talk about the title page. You can see in the text editor window that we have a command bar for the title, the author, and the date. So this is the information we need to make our title page. So let's just make our title page, our title text boldface. So we just say command bar text boldface. It's there, and then in curly braces, I put the title of my project. Then I have the date. If I want to suppress the date, all I need to do is to leave the date empty. Then you see what we have, the make title. You have to put the make title command. So if I compile that, if you suppress the make title command, then you will not have a title page in your document. So let's just suppress the make title command and compile our document. So you see now in our PDF document, we don't have a title page. So in order for us to have a title page, we have to uncomment the make title command. So if we compile that, you see now we have our title page. In an ideal situation, you will want the title page, the abstract, and table of contents to be on each page. So in order to achieve that, all we need to do is we put before before the begin abstract, we just put the command bar new page. It's there, so I click OK. Then where we have the table of contents before that, we just put command bar new page, and then it's there. And then if we also want the body of our report to be on a new page, we just put command bar new page, and then we click enter, and then we compile. If I do that, you see, now we have a basic document structure, our title of our document on one page, we have our abstract on another page, our table of contents on another page, and then the body of our content on another page. Another thing you might want to do when preparing a report is that you might want the report to reflect the day you produce the report. So in order to achieve that, you just put command bar today. It's there. So if I compile that, you see on my title page, the day I prepared my report appears on my title page. Now that you've seen how to create a basic document structure in LaTeX, there are a few things I would like you to know. If you want to be able to rename or download the .tex file, which is the file that contains all your LaTeX programs and codes, you just need to click on the three dots and click, you see, we have rename and download. Also, if you click on the home button, you see, this is the document we just created, basic document structure. If you want to download a PDF version of this document, you just click on the PDF icon and you click download. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. In the next lesson, we will be exploring text formatting. Don't forget to subscribe to All Things Software for more LaTeX tutorials. Until next time, happy typesetting.